Another day here with the Mustang in the garage, but we finna go to Austin, homies, because I'm finna pick up one of the most rarest parts that you can get for this car. Man, I'm so hyped right now. I'm finna pick up Junior and go all the way to Austin, which is about 3 hours. So stay tuned for this video.
How much you need, man? Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it.
Alright, update. We came to Buc-ee's over here. My boy is destroying us on what? Pecans? Alright. And the plug hit you up with them. It look like dog poop. You put that fucking back. But man, we picked up the rarest part you can get for these new edges, man. I'm gonna reveal it later, not right now, cause matter of fact they're back here, but I'm still not gonna show it. But we finna do a quick stop at Cabela's, you know, just look at shit and then go on our way back to Dallas, Texas, and that's where I'll show you what I caught. But let's get back to it, homies. Alright, homies, it's been a couple of days since I copped that rare part, and man, I'm just so happy that I got it. I'm gonna reveal it in a different video just because honestly in this video I just feel like there's so much content that I know could be really good for a different video, but you know, I really want to save it for a different video just because obviously more views, more comments, and, you know, that's what I care about. So I'll see you till next time, homies. But did you really think I was gonna do that? Nah, man, look at this amber taillights. God dang, I'm looking stupid clean. I'll check that out, homies. Man, when I tell you I got these for a great price, I caught these taillights, the pair, for 600 bucks, and that's without the harness. However, I have something about that. So the amber taillights, the difference between, you know, those and I got them right here, and these taillights is the fact that they have that little amber part on the bottom of the taillight. Now I know a lot of people give a lot of crap about it just because you're paying a lot of money for that little, you know, piece, which to be honest, I completely understand. But being that I am making, you know, a channel revolving around my Mustang, you know, something I want to do is collect the coolest parts that I can find. I mean, how can I not get the amber taillights, you know? So here we go. Check that out. You see the difference? Minor, but it's there. Anyways, that little amber part, as you see right here, it's sealed. See that? See where it's sealed right here? Well, on the ambers, it's open for a little amber light. And mine came with a little harness that I could tap into my stock GT, and I have little clips of that, so let me show you. Here it is, and it has 3 wires, black, green, and red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna splice the top of it. All right, homie, so if you have sequential taillights, you're gonna go ahead and tap your ground to the first sequential right here. And the green one will go to the first sequential as well. And the red one will go towards this first sequential. It has a red one. Just follow it towards the box. I've always tell my subscribers and followers, whatever you want to call them, to tap. Alright, let's get in here. Might as well just turn on the car so we don't kill the battery. Alright, let me show y'all. Check that out, man. It's tapped into my stock harness, so it's already on. Honestly, guys, I don't know much about the harness, so if this is not supposed to be like this, please let me know. But either way, I don't drive the car that much, especially at night. So I mean, you know, look at that, man. It looks so clean. Now let me show you the turn signal. Come on, bro, like, how can you not like that? Like, I understand. Hold up. Like, I get it, I understand. A lot of people give a lot of hate just because it costs a lot of money to cop these taillights. Now, there's people out there that puts it for a stupid amount of money. We're talking about like $2 grand. That's just way too much. Just people trying to take advantage of people, knowing that they're kind of rare and people want them, especially for people who, you know, try to make a perfect build, right? But you know, shout out to the person that sold it to me for 600. Great people, by the way. Man, I'm telling you, this car is looking just so much cleaner. Every time I put a new mod on it, I'm really happy, guys. And honestly, I couldn't do it without y'all. Y'all support me so much when it comes to my build. You know, me doing random stuff to it. And honestly, it's just all the stuff that I want to do. You know, I'm not influenced by anybody. I don't take, you know, these ideas just to impress somebody. I do it because, you know, I really want to build my car just like this. And man, I'm just so happy, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more content like this, more short vlogs or long vlogs, whatever it is, let me know down in the comment section below. And if I missed something, please let me know, guys, and I'll see you till next time.